Okay, so here's my bike. Ito yung mga changes so far. I'm sorry. So stock tayo, yung stock ang tawag nito, shocks, hindi ko na pinalitan, pinaripaint ko lang ng itim since maraming negative feedbacks over those who are having their bikes changed to mono shock. Tapos ito yung yung gulong ko hindi pa napapalitan, hindi pa ako never had the chance to go downtown. Pero ayan, it's smaller, pero I'm planning to have it changed to to 120 by 17 if I'm not mistaken. Tapos ito nga, nilagyan ko ng ilaw para just in case pag matakbo na nakikita. Tapos meron ditong underneath light, I have a switch for that nakalagay dito. Ewan ko nakikita nyo yung switch dito. Tapos it's Hawk 8 Hawk X60 yata, X60 alarm and immobilizer. So ayun, pag ilalock mo siya,
Hawk system arm.
ayan, pag disarm mo,
Hawk system disarm.
tapos pwede mo na siya ipaandar ng kanya lang.
Please drive safely.
Ayun. So ayun.
Hawk system disarm.
So ganon ang mga upgrades na pinaggagawa ko sa motor. Actually, the paint itself, napalitan ko na rin to. This is a darker blue na medyo violet. Kasi yung lumang paint hindi ko masyado nagustuhan. Tapos, tinira niyan Ansal. Tapos yung sticker as you see, wala na rin. Tinanggal. Kasi, syempre, piturahan nga. Pero, ayun, I'm planning to get another. Pero kukunin ko pa sa Thailand. Nakabili ako ng isa blue, pero hindi siya bagay for the color. So, I have to get for around $15 sa Thailand, original Honda OEM sticker. Tapos most of the things that I have here sa upgrades ko, usually sa labas ko kinukuha kasi mas cheaper as compared here. Makakamura ka sa China, pero most of the time in a month or so or probably a few months papalitan mo, kasi even yung light, ito this neon light I have underneath, locally made yan, China made. Tapos nakailang palit na ako ng ballast dyan, I think 4 na beses, kasi wala naman ako makitang available na ilaw online, mostly mga neon lights, pero yung mga ballast na binibenta walang available, so local pa rin pakunin yung ballast. So ayun, basically yun yung mga changes. Okay, thanks a lot and have a great day.